Hi, this is John on behalf of expertvillage.com. In this video clip, I will be showing you how to remove a hubcap. On this particular car, there are plastic caps that cover the lug nuts, and what these caps do is they will hold on the hubcap and they will lock the hubcap to the lug nut bolts. So what you need to do is take a socket and loosen up each one of these and then see if you can pull the hubcap off. If not, you might need to loosen up some of the other ones a little bit more and it should pop right off. To replace the hubcap, we're going to follow the same procedures. We're going to position the hubcap over our lug nut bolts and tighten the retaining caps down. Lastly, you just want to test it to make sure that it's not going to fall off.